I'm here on the shop floor of PartMaker user Geisley Automatics to introduce you to PartMaker version 2016. Geisley is one of the world's most innovative firearms manufacturers. It's customers like Geisley and you that inspire us at Delcam's PartMaker unit to constantly push ourselves to bring you the most cutting-edge technology and high-quality application support. PartMaker version 2016 is a real game changer in the arena of CAM software for production machining, and I know you're going to love it. In the next few minutes, I'd like to pull back the curtain on the creation of PartMaker version 2016 and have you meet some of the truly outstanding people that have made this technology reality. Enjoy.
We listen to our customers. We're constantly trying to raise the bar with PartMaker. We want to provide our customers with all the tools for all their machines.
When it's a happy place, you're just happy to come here every day and work, and that shows in what we do. We are so emotionally invested in what we do that we just do it better.
I know how the customer would look to use the software, I understand the application of it, and then I know the software development side. So one of the things that I've worked on for 2016, which I think our customers will really appreciate, is I've added broaching to the software. One of the challenges to developing was making it easy to use and seamless to the software, where a customer can add this tool directly to the cycle. They don't have to learn anything, and the customer should be productive right when they get 2016.
Implementing engineering principles or concepts into the PartMaker software is really fulfilling. In PartMaker version 2016, we have made a number of improvements to programming on horizontal mills. We've added a new 4-axis machining function to the tombstone table type in PartMaker mill, which allows users to program features at any angle on a horizontal mill. We've also simplified the workflow for programming multiple stocks across the tombstone, all of which should allow PartMaker users to be a lot more productive.
I really like helping people, so I enjoy the fact that we're able to best understand their problem by working with the customer directly, bring this information back into our office, and have our talented development team work on coming up with creative solutions to their problems. I'm most excited about the work that Demeter and I have done on PartMaker 2016 improved milling functionality for 2D machining.
In real world, in the shop, probably 90% of the work is 2D and rather than 3D, and that's why we needed to improve our new method for 2D machining.
One of the biggest benefits is the ability of the software to reduce cycle time on your parts by optimizing the machining operations. Here you can see an example where we're actually trimming the tool path to the stock material to reduce air cutting. Our customer's environment is always changing, so it's an ongoing process between our customers and then the development side of our business, all working together to achieve common goals.
The most important benefit that customers derive is just the domain knowledge that we have from working in the same field for all these number of years. And just from interacting with each other and gaining each other's knowledge, giving them your knowledge.
We are the miracle makers. We not only have to be very good at post-processors, we have to think outside of the box. We have to know every single detail of the software to be able to give them what they need on a regular basis.
As the machines have gotten more capable, our post-processors have had to respond, and it's kind of a mental transition to thinking like the machine. As you've gained experience in the software and with customers, you can take all that and kind of jam it all together and come up with, end up at the end of the day coming up with a pretty rockin' post-processor.
What we try to do is we look at what customers' needs and what they use the software for, and then we try to develop new tools within the software that'll make that a lot easier for them.
Multi-snap increases the speed with which you can draw geometry in CAD and profile elements in CAM. Multi-snap provides dynamic assistance and continuous feedback to create lines, circles, and arcs.
I'm in charge of the support team, essentially, so we work together with the support team on helping customers with training, technical support, post-processor support. With 2016 release, we've created a bunch of video content, put those videos as well as the sample files up on the download center so that the customer can download those files themselves. And then what we're going to do is run a series of what's new in 2016 webinars. After the release of the software, we go into more of like a teaching mode. There's a couple different types of training. We can either do on-site training where we're actually going to come to you. We also do in-house training where we have a facility set up here where we have our own classroom. The thing I like most about working at PartMaker is I would say every day is a little bit different. Every day I come in, there's new challenges, there's new customers.
PartMaker is a software, but I really think it's the organization. You met a couple of my peers. We really sincerely care about their success.
Everybody has the time where they're in need of help at that immediate instance, and that's what we try and do, is always provide that kind of help.
That's how we do it. I mean, we just dive into it and we just don't stop until it's solved. There are a lot of customers who just tell us that they just wouldn't be in business without us. And I think that is one of the best compliments anyone could ever receive.